The most profitable plumbing jobs are usually water heater installations, repiping projects, and drain line replacements, because these jobs require specialized skill, take several hours to complete, and use higher cost materials, which means you can charge more for both labor and parts. Think about it like this. Some plumbing jobs are quick fixes, like unclogging a sink, and those only take a few minutes, so you cannot charge a lot for them. But bigger jobs, like replacing an entire water heater or repiping a whole house, take a long time, need special tools, and use expensive materials like copper or cross-linked polyethylene pipe. Something a lot of people do not realize is that emergency and after-hours calls are often one of the most profitable services a plumber can offer, because customers are desperate and willing to pay extra fees just to get someone there fast. Another lesser-known opportunity is offering maintenance plans, where customers pay a small fee every month or every year, and in exchange you inspect their pipes and water heater regularly, which creates steady income even when there are no emergencies. Specializing in trenchless sewer line repair is also extremely profitable, because it avoids digging up someone's entire yard, saves the customer money on landscaping, and allows you to charge a premium for the advanced equipment and technique. A common mistake new plumbers make is underpricing big jobs because they are afraid of scaring off the customer, but the fix is to always calculate your material costs, labor hours, and profit margin before quoting a price. Another misconception is that plumbers only make money from big jobs, but small maintenance visits build trust and often lead to bigger jobs down the road. So never ignore those smaller calls. A less obvious issue is not tracking which services actually bring in the most profit. So make it a habit to review your invoices every month and focus your marketing on the services that make you the most money. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Joe by Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.